I'm going back to culinary school. The train is like totally empty. I am going to be doing a Taste of Patisserie course, which is something that my main diploma didn't cover. I'm super excited about going back to school and have a great day making cakes. So let's go and see what's going to happen. Look what you get. It's an apron and a tea towel and course booklet. This is what we're going to be doing today. You can't take videos in the class, so some of the footage is going to be photos, I'm afraid. Each person gets their own workspace and you share half the stove with the person next to you. You start by gathering at the front of the class and watching the chef demo a few steps of the recipe, and at this point you have the opportunity to ask any questions and take notes. Then it's your turn to have a go. This was my genoise sponge before and after it was baked. I was so relieved when I cut off the top and it was light and fluffy inside. We were also shown how to make a beautiful rose out of marzipan. And this was my finished product. Can you tell I was super proud? As part of the class, we were also shown how to make a chocolate fondant and have a go at plating it as a restaurant dessert. As with the rest of the class, all your ingredients are measured out for you and ready. We take home the ones we make unbaked, but get to plate and eat the ones baked by the chef. At the back of the school is the Cordon Bleu cafe, which sells some of the best croissants in town. They also have a lovely selection of cakes and pastries, as well as sandwiches and some hot menu items. Unfortunately, they were already out of croissant by the time I got there, but as part of the class you get a free hot drink from the cafe. And that was my Taste of Patisserie short course at the Cordon Bleu London. Thanks for watching.